Today I got another lawnmower. This is a Troy built. Yeah, pretty filthy. It's a mess. It's probably, there's no fuel in it. That means I'm gonna have to get fuel and see if it'll start. I haven't even tried anything with it. Oh, the whole engine's loose. So I'm also gonna have to tighten that down. Is this for an electric start? Oh, there's an electric start on this engine. Where's the rest of the wiring for it? There must be a battery somewhere. Oh, that's gross. So that's probably one thing well, I'm gonna disconnect the spark plug, flip this over real quick. Oh yeah, look at that. That's fully coming out. This one's loose. There's a belt for the drive, and this one's not loose. So two of these bolts are loose. So let's tighten those up, put some fuel in it, and see if it runs. That one's nice and tight now. Oh, give me this back. Thank you. Now we'll tighten up this one. This blade seems fine. Now we're going to tighten up this one. Just because it might have, I can't even get to it because of the plastic. Now the engine's on there nice and tight. Oh, it even says electric start right here. So I'll have to figure out how that works, because there's nothing, no wiring or anything for it. Let's check the oil while we're here. Oh, yeah, there's oil in it. It's kind of nasty. Why won't this go back on? There we go. Alright, let's get some fuel for it. There's a little bit in there. There's a little bit of fuel in there. It might run. Let me put the spark plug on because I'm going to forget otherwise. So it might start. There's fuel, good fuel, old fuel, I don't know. Well, we'll pull the air cleaner off, spray some carb cleaner in there, see if it runs on that. And then I'll change the fuel out if I have to. Oh, that's pretty gross. It's not too bad, but like, it ain't good. Alright. Well, it runs. Might just needed a boost. I gotta open the garage. Let all these fumes out. See, will it start again? So I don't know. Well, it starts right up now that I started with carb cleaner, so it might have old gas in it. I mean, it needs a new air filter. That could have been just clogging it up. But it runs fine. The engine was loose. I tightened that back down. But now it seems to be fine. It definitely needs an oil change, but I don't see anything else wrong with it other than the electric start. Maybe someone engine swapped it. No, because it even says electric start on it. I don't know. Let's see. There's like a spot for a battery on here. It would be back here. Is there a battery in there somewhere? You'll see a battery. Let me know down in the comments below if you saw a battery. This could have been an engine swap. So, you know, this it all says Troy built on it. Well, I guess that's going to be the end of this video. If you guys want to see me do anything with the... I don't think there's a battery in there. There's no room for a battery. And let me know if any of these videos help you out. Subscribe if you find them entertaining. And I'll see you in the next video.